Surbhi, can you tell us a little about your background and what convinced you that you should look for jobs beyond India?
I have studied my master's in advertising and media, and I have a background of PR, advertising, marketing. I've worked in Bombay most of my career with startups, MNCs, corporates, FMCG, fashion, a lot of industries, and I have around 9.5 years of experience, and I've been wanting to explore international marketing and stepping outside my comfort zone here in India and Bombay, and be more independent. And I think that is one of the reasons why I wanted to apply abroad, A for experience, and B to just get more exposure and be more independent, since I've always been in Bombay.
So, like many people think you can't crack a job abroad sitting in India. It's a little difficult because a lot of companies abroad prefer hiring people from within the region. What made you think or believe, as in, you should go for it?
So, to be very honest, my experience also has been what a lot of people think. I did apply almost for 1.5 years through LinkedIn, through Indeed, etc., etc., and nothing really worked out except the sorry emails and unfortunately emails. And then I did a few years back, I was considering applying for Canada PR. I in fact enrolled and stuff, but I did not have a great experience with the agency I had hired. So for me to take this decision was a bit time consuming, because I had to think through it, since I had already lost a considerable amount of money with the agencies. But yeah, it is not partially incorrect that sitting in India it is difficult to find jobs. Probably